Russia begins production of the first Su-75 Checkmate. This fighter stands out for its characteristics: maximum speed of 2 Mach, flight range of 3,000 kilometers and a combat load of 7,400 kilograms. The Rostec company announces the next phase of production of the advanced Su-75 Checkmate fighter, with the UAC leading the preparations. Preparations advance for the new Su-75 Checkmate fighter. The United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, is leading efforts to begin manufacturing the Su-75 Checkmate. Adjustments have been made to the original design following requests from potential buyers, impacting the first flight schedule. According to RIA Novosti, Rostec has confirmed the changes to the project and the transmission of the necessary documentation to the manufacturing plant. The Su-75 Checkmate, available in single-seat, two-seat and unmanned versions, is anticipated to begin production after receiving patents from the Federal Intellectual Property Office. Expectations for prototypes and serial production of the Su-75 Checkmate. The UAC expects Su-75 Checkmate prototypes to appear between 2024 and 2025, followed by a pilot batch in 2026 and serial deliveries scheduled between 2026 and 2027. This fighter stands out for its characteristics: maximum speed of 2 Mach, flight range of 3,000 kilometers and a combat load of 7,400 kilograms. Equipped with ESA radar, 360-degree reconnaissance system, electronic jamming, optical targeting and long-range communication. Unveiled at the MAX 2021 Air Show, the Su-75 is designed to adapt to the needs of the Russian aerospace forces and international customers, with an open architecture for specific customizations. Perspectives and criticisms on the viability of the Su-75 Checkmate. A former member of the National Security Council from the George W. Bush administration expressed doubts about the serial production of the Su-75 in an interview with 1945. He cites Russia's actions in Ukraine as a deterrent to potential buyers. According to the publication, the Su-75 could offer several nations their first fifth-generation stealth fighter aircraft. However, he questions the fighter's ability to directly rival the American F-35 Lightning II, describing such claims as excessive and unreliable. Although the Su-75 could be an impressive and more affordable option than the F-35, the magazine argues that it fails to be a complete substitute for the US model in terms of military capabilities. Development of an unmanned version of the Su-75. Additional reports indicate that the Russian manufacturer is working on a UAV version of the Su-75. Speaking to the TASS agency, the company director mentioned that the concept of an unmanned version of the Checkmate had been considered from the beginning of the design, planning to develop it in parallel with the manned version. This dual approach, integrating both a single-seat and an unmanned version of the Su-75, is proposed as part of the aircraft's development strategy, advancing simultaneously with the tests of the manned model. The Su-75 and its relationship with the Su-57. The article argues that the Su-75 Checkmate currently has only one distinctive advantage, utilizing equipment and components from its predecessor, the Su-57. As the American publication highlights, the fighter reuses existing research and components, a crucial factor that could help meet the Su-75's demanding schedule. Thanks for watching.